Fantastic. Ngoba nithi ngibonile ke bengisajele kuzolo.
Uyibhantini lapha kuzalo.
That role was so hard to tap into. My word. I found it hard at some point out. Ngibona ngathi ayibokwenzakalani. But the production Yozalo was so supportive. And they are so quick to tell you when you are doing fantastic. So at some point, you know, but no, that was good. That was good. You got it. Oh my gosh, really? You know? That role was, it gave me so much hope that uNkulunkulu uyalalela. It was a perfect role to go into, because one of my biggest things that I always say I don't want to do is to get a role that compromises my faith. Where I find myself mhlambe sing ngenza izinto engazi ngoba samzomisa kanjani ngiyochaza kanjani ekhaya. There are some fantastic roles, but ikhulume nje sithi, to be honest, like sex scenes I don't think I'd be able to do into kanjalo. Yabo.
It's against your values, it's against your spirituality.
Yes. As much
those
as it's
things
not
are
real.
sacred, they have to be kept private.
Yes. Okusala niyathintana. Yabo. Ukuthi akwenze kwangempela. But mina ngeke ngakwazi. Uyabona, and it's unfair to walk into a production and not have a disclaimer. But the more power you have and the more longevity you have in an industry, you have that power to say ngwenzi lokho.